येता म्हारग तलावांचे येरादारी खात्याचे परिपत्रक फुडल्या सप्तकात येता आणि मागीर तलाव मारपाक येरादारी पुलिशे वांगडा आरटीओनूय रस्त्यार देवपाचे थारायला। तेन्ना आता येरादारी नेम पाळपाचे ना जाल्यार पाकिटांनी घसघशीत पयशे घेवन भोंवपाचे। मात कंत्राटदाराक तलाव मारपाचे प्रक्रियेक आनीक 3 म्हयने तरी लागतले नव्या नेम करपा खातीर। पळयात हो स्पेशल रिपोर्ट। नवो मोटर वाहन कायदो 1 सप्टेंबराच्यान भारतभर लागू जातलो। गोंयांत तो लागू करपा खातीर फायल वयर धाडल्या अशें येरादारी संचालक राजन सातोड्डेकारान गोवा 365क सांगलें। फुडल्या सप्तका मेरेन परिपत्रक येतलें आनी पुलिशे वांगडा आरटीओय रस्त्यार देंवतले अशेंय ताणें सांगलां। आपल्या भुरग्याक गाडयेंत सारको बसयलो ना जाल्यार 1000 रुपया तलाव मारपाची तरतूद ह्या सुदारीत कायद्यांत केल्या।
File to notify the officers, empowering the levy of new files as per the Amendment Act 2019. By next week we should be able to start enforcing. It will go to government for administrative approval and vetting by law department. फुडल्या विकान सुरू जातले आमचे levy of fines at new rates. The new things are the safety of pedestrian, that is the people who are not driving also is being taken into consideration, wherein states are empowered to create laws, to create cycling tracks and walking spaces for people, so that bus bays. So it is for the state now to devise a policy under Motor Vehicle Act. The safety of child, a small child, has been taken into consideration in the act, which was not there earlier. Now it is the duty is cast upon the parents to ensure that the child is given a protected seat, like with a belt or with some secure fastening. And for negligence here, parent can be fined up to ₹1,000, or the parent or the person who is driving the vehicle. Responsibility is also cast on authorities, which was not there under current Motor Vehicle Act 1988. Authorities include the people who are supposed to ensure safe roads, that is design, construction and maintenance of roads. The people who are responsible, they can be penalized for negligence, wherein people can get hurt or causing death due to negligence, up to 1 lakh rupees. The person, that is contractor or even the authorities for that matter. The Government of India has constituted about 6 committees who are drafting the rules for implementation of this act, amended act. It will take about 2 months to 3 months for to formulate the rules, and once the rules are in place, all the remaining provisions will be enforced. Right now only penal and offences and penalties are being taken up by all the states. Goa also will start up.
पणजेच्यान आमचो खबराकार समीप नार्वेकार आनी व्हिडिओ पत्रकार श्याम च्यारी।